The doorbell. Oh, the doorbell. I hate the doorbell. Why is it here? Why does it exist? I think it's the worst thing in the world ever. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in the world that does this, but when I hear a doorbell, I freak the fuck out. Even if I know someone's coming. Even if I see them walk to the door. The amount of steps I take between hearing the doorbell and opening the door is ridiculous. And it goes something like this. Oh shit. And when I'm leaving with the person, then it'll go something along the lines of this. Oh shit. Oh, but when I see them coming, I run and hide. I actually hide. When I see someone coming up to my door, I will run to a place where they can't see me and I will hide until I hear the doorbell. Then I will start the process all over again. That's when it looks like this. Oh shit. I don't know why I have to check the people, even if I see them walking to the door. Even when I see them ring the doorbell, I saw it happening. And is it going to change to someone else by the time they ring the doorbell, by the time I open the door? Sophistication.